Good morning, people. It is day 3 and Bubba and I are on breakfast duty.
Good morning, journeyers. So we have some rules where we gotta kind of rotate breakfast so that my mom's not the only one stuck making it. And we made some killer stir fry last night. And Nate and I offered to make some breakfast burritos. So we have, Richie made some homemade pulled pork. And we have some bacon. We're gonna put giant pieces of avocado in there. It's gonna be a delicious. We are taking this ode to Kona, which is one of our favorite breakfast spots that we've ever eaten at, and it is in Hawaii. And if you haven't seen our Hawaii footage, head on over. Playlist somewhere. Go click there too. Good morning.
So breakfast, and then we're gonna get the RV back into ship shape to drive, and we're gonna go through the Badlands and then head on to Mount Rushmore. So it's gonna be another fun-filled day. Hope you stick along.
We're feeding prairie dogs.
How excited are you?
It's so fun. They're so freaking cute. I mean, look at them. They're so tiny.
Alright guys, is that fun?
It's a good way to start the day. Super fun. If you like photos, come to the thing, and if you like prairie dogs.
Fun. I would say yes if you have kids, for sure come. But if you're a big kid, they're really cute. So
They're so cute.
come look at them. They're cool.
Kelsey says she still wants to take one home with us, so we'll see if she's successful in that. But now we're gonna drive through the park, so onward.
Colors are great here.
It's almost like rainbow sherbet. You know, rock formations is kind of how and then I love, we're having a really good overcast day, so it's really accentuating. Sometimes what happens is when the light is hitting the this part of the park, the yellow almost gets kind of flushed out in white. But since we have this really soft kind of blanket over us of natural light from the clouds, it's really accentuating the pinks, purples, and the yellow, so it looks really cool.
What's up, everybody? We just finished up our little time in Badlands and moved on to Wall Drugstore.
Oh my gosh,
There's a puppy.
Is so cute.
Yeah, we're at Wall Drugstore, but we also spotted a really cute puppy in someone's car.
Oh my gosh. You're so cute.
Them and cute dogs, I tell you.
Sorry,
Wall
Sorry,
Drugstore.
guys.
And we're gonna eat some food, look around, shop around,
Get some coffee.
get some coffee,
And
Ice cream. We're gonna eat
And ice
get some ice cream and everything
Coffee
else.
and ice
So
cream.
Ice cream.
What's the deal?
let's go.
Ice
stop in Wall, you can just go to the drugstore. They have a little restaurant here.
They have a nice cafe with a good sized menu.
There's hand-scooped ice cream if you want.
Make sure you get the hand-scoop ice cream and
ice cream.
not the milkshake.
Not the milkshake. It's basically a Frosty.
But the scoop is
But
good.
the scoop ice cream is pretty delicious.
I made a terrible mistake.
And the donuts are fantastic.
And they get donuts.
I think this is gonna redeem it a little bit.
Maple donut.
Yeah, definitely.
Yummy.
Orange and blue.
So now we're gonna head to Rushmore, and we'll
Get
see
outta
it for
here.
sunset, and then go to our campsite, and that's it for
Hoping
day
that
number
it's
3.
yeah. Hopefully the clouds get out of the
Maybe
way.
we'll get
but
lucky.
That'd be nice.
So we'll see you at Rushmore.
What's up, everyone? So I know we said Mount Rushmore, and we technically are there, but we actually stopped at the Mount Rushmore KOA to set up our lovely campsite. So guys, we have made camp, and now we're gonna go check out the faces of the presidents. So stick around.
So we showed up, and it's under construction. But
Yeah, but it's for an event.
yeah, so they're setting up, I think, for July 4th, the celebration they do here. As you can see, there's stuff over there. I'm sure Nate got some shots of that. But so we came off to the side. I actually really like this angle. I think it's really pretty. But they've been doing flybys, practicing for the event. So it's been kind of cool to see that. I mean,
Big 4th of July celebration.
I
I'm
don't
kind of
know.
bummed we're missing it.
yeah, I don't know how many times though you would see something like that. So it is pretty cool.
You got
And
Black Hawk
he's-
helicopters,
he's bummed
Osprey
about-
helicopters.
He's bummed about July 4th. We're gonna be in Jackson Hole for July 4th.
Yeah,
I
but
don't-
I'm sorry, this
Ain't
is
nothing
pretty
to be
cool.
bummed about.
But at least we're getting really cool footage of them practicing their flybys, which
So the trails are even closed, so you can't do that either. So I don't know how
We
much
weren't going
longer
to anyway.
we'll be here, but I mean it's still as cool as I remember. Just can't get quite close. So have fun and go to Mount Rushmore. All right, guys, another successful day on the road trip of 33 days. We are finishing up day 3. We're heading back to the campsite, and we're going to get some grub. A little late. Had some issues with the turns, but overall, Mount Rushmore was just as cool as I remember it. Definitely something that everybody should check out if you can. Kind of stunk with the construction, but like, what can you do? They're setting up for 4th of July celebration. So if this is y'all's first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give us a big like. Let us know if you've been to Rushmore, if you like this area. It's really pretty. We will see you guys on the next video. It's gonna be fun. We are heading to Devil's Tower. I will see you guys later. Peace, journeyers.